Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can buy an Apple gift card online. Let's get started. For that, open up your browser. I'm using Safari, but you can use Chrome or any other browser you like. So in the search bar, you need to go ahead and simply type in buy Apple gift card. Once you type it in, this page is gonna open up, and here you will be able to find buy Apple gift cards. Go ahead and simply tap onto it. Once the page loads up, scroll below. Then you need to go ahead and simply choose your gift card design. Scroll below again, choose the amount, scroll below again, and then choose who it's for, either yourself or someone else. You can even add a personal message if it's a gift. Now after that, scroll below again, then tap on add to bag. And now inside here, simply tap on checkout. At checkout, you have to go ahead and simply sign in with your Apple ID or continue as a guest, whichever you prefer. Now choose your payment method, for example, Apple Pay or credit card. Scroll down and review your order, and when everything looks good, simply click on place order. And that's it. If you are setting it as a gift, the person will receive the card by email. If it's for yourself, you'll get it in your own email, and then you can redeem it on Apple account anytime. That is how you can buy an Apple gift card online. Super easy. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.